Hello guys, welcome back with me again in this channel. So in today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can use the pickaxe in the crystal depths on Fish It Roblox. So if you already unlock the quest, the crystal gathering quest, what is it? This one, so you'll get pickaxe by help Hang find the diary. So if you already have the pickaxe in here and you want to know how to use it, you can just follow my steps in here. So the pickaxe you can see the you can use this is a tool for extracting glowing crystal in the caves in the crystal depths, but you can only do it in certain times, so not any time you can extract the crystal. So you can there will be like a specific notification on your server when the time for extracting crystal. So when the time is coming, or when the time comes, you can just find or explore in the crystal depths to find the crystal that you can extract. So you can just go near the crystals like this, and that will be the pop-up to extract the crystal. So it only appears like every a few hours, and so just don't forget to check on the notification on your server so that you don't miss the time. That's how you can use the pickaxe in the crystal depths. Fish it. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Also click on the thanks.